Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch fast-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A Sahara beige Ambitex interior. Panorama sunroof. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power lift gate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Memory seats, power windows, illuminated star when you open the door. Steering wheel controls. This one does come with smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Convenience package with garage door openers and auto dimming mirrors. Push start ignition, rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center. This GLA has 7,867 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.